Science Fiction
by Claire
Daniel
and Abhinav.
Definition of genre: an artist's composition as in music or literature, characterized by similarities in form, style, or subject matter. Definition of science fiction: 1. Futuristic. 2. Robots. 3. Time machines. 4. Fictional nature. 5. Aliens. 6. New things. 7. Flying cars.
An example of a science fiction book is Only You Can Save Mankind by Terry Pratchett. My Robot Body by Alfred Sloat is another example of a science fiction book. My Teacher Glows in the Dark by Bruce Coville is another science fiction book.
Where science fiction books can be found. Science fiction books can be found in the graphic novel and fiction section. There are techniques for science fiction advertisement, celebrity endorsement, and a slogan.
Conclusion. Thank you for watching our 30 Hands presentation. Any questions?